10 Steps to Start Your Health Journey, a comprehensive guide. Step 1. Assessing your current state of health. In order to successfully embark on a journey towards optimal health and vitality, it is essential to first take a step back and assess your current state of being. This self-examination should be a thorough and honest appraisal of both your physical and mental well-being. Do you suffer from any persistent ailments or maladies that have yet to be addressed? Are there any negative habits or behaviors that may be hindering your progress? It is crucial to confront any issues head-on, rather than ignoring or attempting to mask them. This might involve seeking medical attention, therapy, or other forms of support. Do not be afraid to reach out for help if needed. Furthermore, it is important to reflect on your overall level of vitality and well-being. Do you feel sluggish or drained on a regular basis? Are you able to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment? An honest assessment of your current state of health will serve as a valuable reference point as you progress on your journey towards optimal wellness. Do not be discouraged if your current state is not where you desire it to be. Remember, the journey towards better health is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, determination, and perseverance, you will inevitably see progress and improvement. So take the first step towards a healthier you. Assess your current state of health with honesty and integrity, and use it as a foundation for your future endeavors. Step 2. Setting specific and achievable goals. In order to effectively and efficiently progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is crucial to set specific and achievable goals for yourself. Vague resolutions such as lose weight or get fit are unlikely to lead to sustainable progress, as they lack the necessary specificity and concrete action steps required for success. Instead, try setting more targeted and measurable goals. For example, aim to lose a certain number of pounds or inches within a certain time frame. Or, aim to increase your daily step count by a certain amount. This will provide a clear benchmark for your progress and allow you to track your success. It is also essential to be realistic and patient with yourself. Overnight transformations are rare, and attempting to overhaul your entire lifestyle at once is likely to lead to burnout and frustration. Take small, incremental steps towards your goals, and remember that progress takes time. Furthermore, it is important to periodically reassess your goals to ensure that they are still relevant and realistic. Don't be afraid to adjust your targets as needed. Your journey towards better health is an ongoing process, and your goals should reflect that. So don't let vague resolutions hold you back. Set specific and achievable goals, and use them as a roadmap for your journey towards optimal health. Step 3. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine. One of the most effective ways to progress on your journey towards optimal health is to incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine. These habits should be nourishing to both your body and mind and should support your overall well-being. This might include regular exercise, which has been shown to improve physical fitness, boost mood, and reduce the risk of numerous chronic diseases. Choose an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Additionally, it is important to focus on nourishing your body with a healthy and balanced diet. This might involve incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals, choosing whole grains over refined ones, and opting for lean proteins. Don't forget the importance of self-care. Prioritize getting enough sleep, managing stress, and finding time for relaxation and enjoyment. All of these habits contribute to overall well-being and will support your progress on your health journey. It can be overwhelming to try and overhaul your entire lifestyle at once. Instead, try focusing on 1 or 2 habits at a time and gradually build from there. So take control of your well-being. Incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine and watch as they positively transform your life. Step 4. Seeking support. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to remember that you don't have to go it alone. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who will encourage and motivate you can make all the difference in your success. This support might come in the form of friends and family who can provide emotional and practical support as you make changes to your lifestyle. Alternatively, you might seek out a support group, either online or in person, where you can connect with others who are also working towards better health. Having a support system can help to alleviate feelings of isolation and provide a sense of accountability as you work towards your goals. It can also be a source of motivation and encouragement during times of doubt or setbacks. So don't be afraid to reach out and seek support. It can make a world of difference on your journey towards optimal health and well-being. Step 5. Reflecting on your progress. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to periodically assess your progress and reflect on your successes and areas for improvement. This self-reflection can serve as a valuable tool for adjusting your goals and habits in order to continue moving forward. Take the time to consider how far you have come and what changes you have noticed in your physical and mental well-being. Have you reached any of the benchmarks you set for yourself? Have you encountered any unexpected challenges or obstacles? Use this information to adjust your goals and habits accordingly. If you have surpassed your initial targets, consider setting new, more ambitious ones. If you have struggled in certain areas, try to identify the root cause and devise a plan for addressing it. Remember, your journey towards better health is an ongoing process, and don't be afraid to make adjustments and course correct as needed. So take a moment to reflect on your progress. It will provide valuable insight and help guide you on your journey towards optimal health and well-being. Step 6. Overcoming setbacks. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is inevitable that you will encounter obstacles and setbacks. It is important to remember that these are a natural part of the process and should not discourage or derail you. Instead, view setbacks as learning opportunities. What can you take away from this experience and apply to your future endeavors? How can you use this challenge as a means of growth and development? It is also important to be kind to yourself and not dwell on your mistakes. Don't let one misstep define your entire journey. Instead, focus on the progress you have made and the positive changes you have implemented. And again, seek support if you are struggling. Your support system is invaluable and will help you get back on track. So don't let setbacks discourage you. Use them as opportunities for growth and continue moving forward on your journey towards optimal health and well-being. Step 7. Finding joy in healthy activities. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to remember that exercise and healthy living should not be a chore. In order to maintain a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle, it is crucial to discover activities that bring you joy and make them a regular part of your routine. This might involve finding a physical activity that you genuinely enjoy, such as dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. Or, it might involve incorporating relaxation techniques, such as yoga or meditation, into your daily routine. By finding activities that you truly enjoy, you are more likely to stick with them and make them a sustainable part of your life. Don't be afraid to try new things. You never know what you might discover that brings you joy and fulfillment. So don't let exercise and healthy living feel like a burden. Instead, discover activities that bring you joy and make them a regular part of your routine. Step 8. Allowing yourself the occasional indulgence. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to remember that deprivation is not sustainable. Allowing yourself the occasional indulgence can actually be beneficial for your overall well-being, and can help to prevent overindulgence in the long run. This might involve treating yourself to a favorite food or drink in moderation, or indulging in a leisure activity that brings you joy. The key is to find a balance. Don't let indulgences become a regular habit, but don't deprive yourself completely either. By allowing yourself the occasional indulgence, you are less likely to feel deprived and more likely to maintain a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle. So don't let deprivation hinder your progress. Find a balance and allow yourself the occasional indulgence. Step 9. Staying mindful of your choices. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to stay mindful of the choices you make on a daily basis. Pay attention to how certain foods and habits make you feel, and use this information to inform your decision-making. For example, do certain foods leave you feeling energized and nourished, or do they cause you to feel sluggish and lethargic? Does exercise leave you feeling invigorated and accomplished, or does it drain you of energy? By staying mindful of your choices, you can make informed decisions about what works best for your body and well-being. This will help you to maintain a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle as you progress on your journey towards optimal health. So don't let habit and routine dictate your choices. Stay mindful and make informed decisions about what works best for your body and well-being. Step 10. Staying the course. As you progress on your journey towards optimal health, it is important to remember that wellness is a lifelong journey, not a destination. In order to maintain a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle, it is crucial to stay committed and consistent in your efforts. This might involve making healthy choices on a daily basis, even when you don't feel motivated. It might also involve seeking support when you need it and adjusting your goals and habits as needed. By staying the course, you will inevitably see progress and improvement in your physical and mental well-being. Remember, the journey towards better health is an ongoing process, and don't let setbacks or challenges derail you. So don't let temporary setbacks or challenges discourage you. Stay committed and consistent on your journey towards optimal health and well-being.